me in between that, I think you already did.
Take a picture of you. Taking a video of you to send down to the Southerners.
Oh.
Just to get an idea of
Look what fun you're
some of
missing.
this snow that you're missing. What do you think? We spent about, 2 hours out here shoveling?
Progress.
We've made a little bit of progress here.
Except the driveway is very long.
Very long. And it's quite snowy. Quite bloody snowy. Look at the roof. Look at the snow on the roof. It's unbelievable. There's still 36 inches of snow in the Myra Road. Completely impassable. The town trucks are broken down. They can't make it. But we'll plug along. Blizzard 2030.